Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where we track real classic motorcycles for sale across the United States. From affordable riders to serious collector machines you can still buy today. Number 1. 1979 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FXE Custom, $6,500, Cusseta, Alabama. This 1979 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FXE represents the raw mechanical era that made Harley Customs legendary in the United States. Featuring a classic Springer front end, king and queen seat, tall old-school sissy bar, and period-correct tires, this bike captures true 70s chopper styling without modern over-restoration. The Shovelhead engine remains one of the most desirable Harley powerplants due to its sound, simplicity, and long-term collector appeal. While the seller notes that the carburetor needs cleaning, the battery needs replacement, and there is a small fuel leak, these are common, manageable issues for vintage Harley ownership. With customization already completed, this FXE offers a solid entry into the classic Harley market at a price well below comparable finished builds. Number 2. 1977 Yamaha XS650, $3,500, Welsh, Louisiana. The Yamaha XS650 is one of the most respected Japanese classics of the 1970s, and this 1977 example stands out for its condition and tasteful upgrades. Finished in deep red paint with gold and black striping, it maintains factory visual character while benefiting from modern reliability improvements. An electronic ignition upgrade and external oil cooler enhance long-term usability, making this bike suitable for both weekend rides and longer trips. Chrome components remain bright, and the original style seat reinforces its period-correct appearance. Although there is a minor head gasket seepage, the seller notes it does not affect performance. Clean XS650s regularly sell for significantly higher prices, making this listing an excellent value for riders seeking a dependable and increasingly collectible classic. Number 3. 1957 BSA DBD34 Gold Star, $7,500, Headland, Alabama. The BSA DBD34 Gold Star is one of the most iconic British single-cylinder motorcycles ever produced, and this 1957 example has been built as a high-specification cafe racer. Featuring an Alton alternator, electronic magneto, dual-plugged head, Lita fuel tank, rare RR2 gearbox, modern clutch, and upgraded carburation, this bike blends vintage character with performance-oriented enhancements. Alloy rims, progressive rear suspension, a large front brake, and a new exhaust further elevate the build quality. While the motorcycle is not currently running, the seller indicates it requires minimal finishing work. Given the value of its components alone, this Gold Star represents a rare opportunity for collectors seeking a historically significant British machine with serious investment potential. Number 4. 1987 Honda Shadow VT700, $3,000, Cantonment, Florida. This 1987 Honda Shadow VT700 showcases why Honda's V-twin cruisers earned a reputation for durability and everyday usability. Finished in red and presented in museum-level condition, this low-mileage example has received comprehensive servicing, including oil, filters, coolant, and new tires. All gauges function properly, and the motorcycle is fully ready to ride. The VT700 engine delivers smooth, predictable power and is known for exceptional reliability even decades later. Visually, this Shadow remains an eye-catcher with its classic proportions and clean presentation. For riders seeking a vintage cruiser that requires no restoration and minimal maintenance, this Honda offers an excellent balance of affordability, dependability, and nostalgic appeal within the classic motorcycle market. Number 5. 1968 Triumph Bonneville T120R, $12,000, Winchester, Tennessee. The 1968 Triumph Bonneville T120R represents peak British twin performance from the golden era of motorcycling. This example was fully restored prior to auction and ridden only briefly for proper break-in, then stored carefully for over a decade. The original fuel tank was replaced with a new old-stock enamel tank after shipping damage, ensuring visual authenticity. Mechanically, the bike runs flawlessly, delivering the smooth power and unmistakable sound that made the Bonneville famous worldwide. While minor exterior corrosion is present from long-term storage, it remains an outstanding restoration candidate. With values of original Bonneville models continuing to rise, this T120R offers serious collector appeal combined with strong, long-term investment potential. Number 6. 1968 Suzuki TC250 X6 Scrambler, $4,000, Omaha, Texas. This 1968 Suzuki TC250 X6 Scrambler carries an exceptional documented history that enhances its appeal beyond condition alone. Sold new in San Antonio, Texas, the motorcycle remained in the state its entire life, passing through multiple owners before being expertly rebuilt by a lifelong Suzuki specialist. Original chrome and 50-year-old paint remain intact, supported by preserved factory decals and extremely low mileage. The inclusion of original tires further confirms its authenticity. Suzuki's early two-stroke scramblers are increasingly rare in this condition, especially with such a strong provenance. This example stands as both a collectible and a historical artifact, representing Suzuki's rise in the American motorcycle market during the late 1960s. Number 7. 1971 Husqvarna 250 Cross, $2,900, Athens, Alabama. The 1971 Husqvarna 250 Cross is a highly respected vintage motocross machine from an era when Husqvarna dominated off-road competition. This unrestored and mostly original example benefits from a complete engine rebuild, including new piston, crank components, seals, bearings, and a freshly bored cylinder. A new Barnett clutch kit and modern Bridgestone tires ensure reliable performance while maintaining authenticity. With only limited runtime since the rebuild, this Husky is mechanically fresh and ready for vintage motocross events or collection display. Early Husqvarna two-strokes continue to rise in value due to their racing pedigree, making this bike a strong acquisition for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 8. 1975 Kawasaki F11 250 two-stroke, $3,000, Sumner, Washington. This 1975 Kawasaki F11 250 is a rare survivor in original condition, representing Kawasaki's versatile dual sport offerings of the mid-1970s. Owned by the seller since 1976, the bike retains its factory appearance and mechanical integrity. The two-stroke engine delivers lively performance while remaining simple to maintain. Clean examples of the F11 are increasingly difficult to find, especially with documented long-term ownership. As vintage dual-sport motorcycles gain popularity among collectors, this Kawasaki offers both nostalgic value and practical rideability. Its originality and condition place it firmly among desirable Japanese classics that continue to appreciate within the United States market. Number 9. 1974 BMW R60/6, $4,500, Portland, Oregon. The BMW R60/6 is known for its smooth ride, long-distance comfort, and legendary durability. This 1974 example has traveled 69,000 miles, a testament to BMW engineering rather than a concern. Regular maintenance has been carefully documented, including rebuilt carburetors, refreshed cylinder heads, and new spark plugs. The motorcycle delivers the refined riding experience that defined BMW's air-cooled Boxer era. Included accessories such as helmets, gloves, owner's manual, and custom tools add value and convenience. For riders seeking a classic touring motorcycle with timeless design and proven reliability, this R60/6 remains an excellent and affordable entry point into vintage BMW ownership. Number 10. 1971 Norton 750, $10,000, Yakima, Washington. This 1971 Norton 750 offers classic British performance with matching engine and frame numbers, a critical factor for collectors. Although showing 35,000 miles, the engine has seen limited use and retains strong compression. The motorcycle has been stored indoors since 1999, preserving originality and mechanical integrity. Norton's 750 twins are renowned for their handling and distinctive character, making them highly desirable among enthusiasts. While recommissioning may be required after long-term storage, the bike remains largely original and unmodified. For collectors seeking a genuine Norton with documented authenticity, this listing presents a solid foundation with strong long-term appreciation potential. Number 11. 1974 Vespa 150 Super, $3,000, Elkhorn, Iowa. The 1974 Vespa 150 Super represents Italian scooter design at its most practical and charming. This United States imported example retains original paint, low mileage, and factory features including battery-powered lighting and automatic lubrication. It runs well, includes a clean title and registration, and comes fitted with new white-wall tires. Vespas from this era continue to gain popularity due to their simplicity, usability, and growing collector demand. With assistance offered for shipping and potential trade flexibility, this scooter presents an excellent opportunity for urban riders or collectors seeking a vintage European classic with strong cultural significance. Number 12. 1981 Yamaha XS, $4,200, Kansas City, Missouri. This 1981 Yamaha XS has been carefully refreshed with reliability and historical respect in mind. Nearly all electrical components have been replaced, while the carburetors have been thoroughly cleaned and calibrated. The engine runs smoothly, reflecting Yamaha's reputation for durability during this era. Visual details such as period-correct tank graphics, seat, handlebars, and cabling preserve the bike's classic appearance. The seller plans to reinstall traditional analog gauges, further enhancing authenticity. Yamaha XS models continue to grow in popularity due to their balance of performance, affordability, and customization potential, making this example a well-rounded classic suitable for both riding and collection. Number 13. 1989 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail, $7,500, Dorrance, Kansas. This 1989 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail combines classic styling with mechanical upgrades that improve reliability. Featuring the Stalker package, the bike has received new tires, magneto, stator, rebuilt starter, and a high-capacity battery. The TP engine has fewer than 4,000 miles, offering strong performance with reduced wear. Finished in burgundy, the Heritage Softail delivers traditional Harley aesthetics with modernized internals. With a clean title and documented maintenance, this motorcycle is well positioned for riders seeking a classic Harley that remains dependable and road-ready without sacrificing vintage character. Number 14. 1964 Vespa GS160, $6,000, Colorado Springs, Colorado. The 1964 Vespa GS160 stands as one of the most desirable performance scooters ever produced by Vespa. This example runs exceptionally well and has been meticulously maintained, presenting in pristine condition. With 17,000 miles, it remains mechanically healthy while retaining strong originality. The GS160 is highly sought after due to its advanced engineering, distinctive styling, and historical importance. As values continue to rise internationally, this Vespa represents a serious collector-grade scooter that also remains enjoyable to ride. For enthusiasts seeking a museum-quality European classic, this listing offers both rarity and long-term investment appeal. Number 15. 1978 Honda Hawk CB400A, $650, Seattle, Washington. This 1978 Honda Hawk CB400A offers an affordable entry into vintage Japanese motorcycling. Featuring both electric and kickstart, functional lighting, a new battery, and a collector plate, it remains largely intact. While currently not running due to a no-spark condition, it includes a service manual and clean title, simplifying restoration. The CB400A is known for its durability and user-friendly design, making it an ideal project for beginners or experienced mechanics alike. At this price point, it represents one of the most accessible classic motorcycles available on the market today. That wraps up today's Moto Market Explorers list. If you enjoy real classic motorcycle finds across the United States, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next ride.